Cooking with some amazing appliances makes a big world of a difference. Now today I'm going to be making a lovely baked fish. So I'm going to be cooking this amazing fish in Faber's combi microwave oven. So first things first, I'm choosing the defrost mode here, which is right here. So we're going to be defrosting this fish, and while it's defrosting, let's talk about our marinade, okay? So I have a little bit of coconut milk, of coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, some roasted cumin powder यानी कि green chilies, नमक स्वाद अनुसार, okay? A little bit of oil into this as well, और हमारा fish का marinade ready. I also have some fresh coriander. So I have about a minute left to defrost this fish. So this is almost done. Let's check it out. Perfecto. Oh, nice. Because the fish is absolutely chilled, okay? Which means that there's no chance for its texture to get ruined. It's just perfect. And guess what? It's absolutely ready to cook. Cutting this into two. So we're just going to oil our patta. थोड़ी सी marination अपने fish को, और फिर थोड़ा सा और marination डालेंगे इसके ऊपर, और अभी हम इसे बिल्कुल लाइक अ सैंडविच करने वाले हैं. Exactly. Nice. Very simple. Now we just make this into a pouch. Just like this. Perfect. Now for the cooking. Now in this oven, we have actually 13 preset auto cook menus. We have 14 functions in this menu, out of which 13 are preset auto cook menus. I'm going to be choosing the baking menu for the fish. And start. I can get this beautiful aroma. And yes, now look at that. Wow. That's what I call a beautifully cooked fish. It's got a very nice, beautiful aroma to this. Wow, now look at that. Perfecto. And the magic is in the making.